Good afternoon to Mr. Witness sir. Our introduction to investigation lecturer. I am Devi Priya Sivakumar from batch 18B DEM 0419127 and I am here present about the police report, our group assignments which is housebreaking case. Incident housebreaking case at Taman Idaman Kasih in Jalan Raja Uda, Butterworth on 12th August 2020 astrocally 5 p.m. in Pavitra's house.
Good afternoon to Mr. Witness, our intro to investigation lecturer. I'm Sneka Panisamy from batch 18B, DEM 061914, and I'm here to present about the fact of case of a group assignment, which is a housebreaking case. On 12th August 2020, Pavitra, the victim, was on her way back home from her evening class. Then suddenly, she received a call from her uncle, Mr. Subramani, and her uncle informed her that their house has been ransacked by two unknown strangers today. After making the call, the uncle immediately drove the car to the nearest police station and made a report. After minutes passed by, Assistant Investigation Officer, which stands for AIO officers, came to the scene to investigate what had happened. Minutes passed by, hours passed by. The officers found some evidence left by the criminal in the scene, such as fingerprint, footprint, and a piece of hair, as well as the witnesses around the neighbor. On the next day, which is 13th August 2020, Mr. Subramani received a call from the police station, and the police officer which is in charge in this case called over Mr. Subramani to the police station. After Mr. Subramani reached there, the police officer explained and gave statement about the criminals. The criminals was the most wanted housebreaking criminals in Butterworth. The police officer explained and told Mr. Subramani that the criminals has been arrested and they already received back their valuable things that have lost in the scene yesterday. The police officer returned the valuable and belongings of all the belongings to Mr. Subramani and his family safely. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Pavitra Tirumurugan from batch 18B DEM 04199090. Today I am going to present about the sketch plan and some photograph about the housebreaking case. Now I will explain about the incident will be happen. In my point of view, I will sketch this is the way of strangers ransacked the house and what the evidence will be collected by the police, and I will attach some photograph about the case. The first picture, victim's house. The next picture, the strangers enter the house, and the last picture are the way of strangers come to the house. Thank you.
My name is Mutarsi. I am from batch 18B. My ID number is DEM 04191111. Today I am going to present about exhibit of the case. In this investigation, I found three evidence, which is hair, fingerprints, and footprint. The fingerprint I found at the back door of the house and windows. The footprint I found in the floor, which could be a man's footprint. The hair I found in the house at the spotted place.
Very good afternoon to my respectful sir. I'm Mr. Shiny Mohan, DM04191110. Today I would like to present the finding case of housebreaking crime which happened last 12 August 2020 at Butterworth Pening. On 12 August 2020, the Butterworth Police Station have lodged housebreaking crime report which located at Taman Idaman Kasih, Jalan Raja Uda, Butterworth Pening. When the police received the first information report, the police immediately moved on to the crime scene place to start the further investigation. At the same time, the police have detected some important evidence such as fingerprint, footprint and other suspicious evidence to trace the offenders. The fingerprint evidence is the major evidence to trace the offender who are involved in the crime actually. On 13 August 2020, the next day of the incident, the police and the team have sent the fingerprint evidence to the forensic department to trace the offenders. The result which given by the forensic department is related to the one of the MO group members which has been involved in robbery, thief and many offense case in Pening State, and they are the wanted criminals groups in Pening. The suspicious offender has been charged in court under section 29(1) in Menial Offence Act 1995, which is maximum 1,000 ringgit fine and 1 year jail or both of the investigation. When the police successfully gather the information about the suspicious offender, the police take the next step to arrest the offenders to get back the valuable things which they are stolen from the victim house at Taman Idaman Kasih, Jalan Raja Uda, Butterworth. Thank you.
In conclusion, the overall police investigation are completed by the investigation team and suspect being arrested. Based on the commonality analysis conducted on the identified suspect description with the police criminal suspect, therefore the suspect being remanded for 14 days for an in-depth investigation by the investigation team towards compiling sufficient evidence before prosecuting the suspect in court for judgment. The stolen item will not return to the owner till end of the prosecution in court. Thank you.